Hello everyone, this is Somali. Today I am going to show you how we can make a Facebook page for business in less than 3 minutes. First, you need a Facebook account. If you don't have an account, you need to create one, and if you already have an account, let's log in. After logging in, go to Create menu. There click on the Page option. Here you will see two options, Business or Brand and Community or Public Figure. I am going with Business or Brand option. You need to provide information about your business to fill up the forms. After filling up the forms, click Continue. Then, you need to upload profile picture and one cover picture. For profile picture, I would suggest you to use brand logo. And for cover picture, use such images that describes the essence of your business. Your page is now created. First, you need to unpublish your page. You obviously don't want people to see an unfinished page. So go to Settings. There is an option called Page Visibility. Here click on the Page Unpublished button. Facebook will ask you few questions regarding this action of yours. Provide appropriate reasons and your page will be unpublished. Now, go to the home page. It is very important to add a call to action button to direct your audience what to do next. So, let's click on Add button. I am going to choose Contact Us button for my page. You can select what is more suitable according to your business. Then you need to add your website link. It is necessary to have a website nowadays. So, if you have one for your business, put that link here. If you don't have one, I suggest you get one done as soon as possible. After entering your website link, click Save. Now you have a call to action button in your page. Next, you need to create a vanity URL. For that, go to About page. There is an option called Username. There put a username that you want to see in your Facebook page URL. Then click Create Username. Now, you have your own URL. Now, go to the About page again. There you will find a segment called Our Story. Here write a short description about your page. Now that your page is ready, go to Settings and publish your page. Here is your fully functioning Facebook business page.